Finger family.
The Crucifixion. The place of execution was called Golgotha, or place of the skull. Here the soldiers nailed Jesus to the cross and crucified him. 2 robbers were crucified with him at the same time. Above Jesus' head hung a sign that said, "The King of the Jews." The priests and lawyers came to mock Jesus. "He is the Son of God," they laughed, "and he cannot even save himself." After Jesus had hung on the cross for many hours, a heavy darkness spread across the land. Suddenly Jesus cried out, "My God, why have you forsaken me?" The crowd waited in awe to see what would happen. Jesus cried out once more to God. Then his spirit left him and he died. At the same moment, the earth shook and the temple curtain tore in two. The followers of Jesus took him down from the cross and laid him in a tomb.
If you like the video,
subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.